Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Wow, today is another beautiful day. Today I've already completed my work and right now I'm going to repair my new cycle. I'll just show it to you. It's just say 5 years old new. I call this cycle a new cycle only because I haven't used it much. I'm going to tell you the entire story about how I actually bought the cycle. Why was it lying in the dust for the past 4 or 5 years? Why am I going to repair it today? But I'm definitely sure it's going to be an interesting vlog. I'm also trying my best to make use of this time before it starts raining. So let us head. We are moving towards Kalina and I will be having to take this cycle and walk at least for 15-20 minutes. But it's going to be fun. See you. So I hope you can see and hear me clearly. I'm going to tell you the story in real short. I actually purchased the cycle not for me, but for one of my friends who was actually working for me, because it was difficult for him to go and show properties on my behalf by walking, and it was also not always feasible to take an auto or to take a bus every time he had to go to show a property. So once I purchased this cycle, I gave him to ride. Now the bad part was such that after a couple of days he felt it is more easier to walk than to cycle. I was really shocked because I almost spent 9,000 on this cycle and I was devastated. Later I too could have rode this cycle, but it's okay. I got busy with work. The cycle was lying down, but I think the time can never be better. I am going to get this cycle repaired and probably shoot many more vlogs on the cycle. So that way there is no issue. I can keep walking, but I decided to take a break to do a little more badbad. Well, there is a place in Kalina where I feel I might not be robbed much while repairing this cycle. Yes, it's sad to know that even while repairing small things like a cycle also, people can actually cheat you. And there is a person who I actually wanted to trust, but with regards to my bike, he turned out to be a little cheating, and he ditched me for 250 rupees, and then again the next time when I went to him, he wanted to ditch me again, but he forgot that he had just ditched me 10 days ago. So I do not want to go to repair my cycle to a person like that. Let's see if the Kalina person is good. Let's hope we get this boy running soon. I'm just crossing the road right now, so I want to keep my eyes on the traffic. Just wanted to tell you a short thing. I just passed by and I seen one doctor. He stared right into my eyes. I thought he would smile at me, but he actually just looked at me and went away. The short story about the doctor was, once when I was not feeling well and I went to him with my wife, I made a mistake. I do understand it. I actually took my slippers inside his cabin. It was by mistake, but he actually looked at me and told me, "Don't you have any sense?" And I was like, my goodness. I was thinking from that day onwards he has something against me, but no problem. As of now, I have shifted my doctor and I'm happily going to a doctor in Kalina. So this was what just happened. So after walking almost 1.5 kilometers with the cycle, we have almost reached the cycle repairing shop. Let me check now what he has to say. अभी थोड़ा टाइम से बंद है ये साइकिल. अभी गियर वाली साइकिल है, तो आप बताना अभी कितना टाइम लगेगा रिपेयरिंग के लिए.
सर्विस करेंगे तो कल तक होगा.
कितना? कल तक? अच्छा अच्छा। गियर वाला कितना रहेगा?
अभी जो है ना इसका सर्विस का जाएगा 500
सर्विसिंग का 500 प्रॉपर चलेगा, लेकिन
पुरानी सर्विस का मतलब है कि पूरा
ऑयल वॉयल सब कुछ। देखो ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, $500 में तो नॉर्मल चलेगा ना प्रॉपरली? और गियर का कितना रिपेयरिंग होगा? ऐसा देख के क्या पता चलता है कितना गियर का? ऐसा देख के क्या पता चलता है? 21। वैसे मेरे हिसाब से सब सही है, ऐसे ऑयल चेंज करना है ना? अच्छा,
ग्रीसिंग वगैरह पड़ जाएगा ना तो सही होगा।
कल तक रेडी हो जाएगा?
अपना नंबर दे दो।
कल बढ़िया बनेगा।
पक्का पक्का।
और आप कितने साल से यहाँ पर हो?
मेरा 78 से।
अच्छा, आपका नाम?
सभाजीत यादव।
ठीक है, कल कॉल करना मुझे।
पक्का।
Okay, thank you. So I gave my cycle for repairing. The best part about vlogging is that I actually took a video of the person to whom I gave my cycle. So tomorrow, not just the phone number, not just the shop, if there is any issue or any problem, I have not got his written claim that he's going to repair my cycle. I've actually got him on tape. I can actually tell him that, well, that will be of no use, because I'm definitely sure he told me he's sitting there since I don't know how many years, since he was a child, since he was 10 years old. Right now I'm heading back home and I'm standing in this place where some of my friends used to stay before over here. It's barren today. Probably a new project is coming. I will just show you around before leaving. And एक मिनट, call. And someone is actually asking me that what I'm actually doing here. I just said I'm just talking to someone. He doesn't know it's a vlog, or else he'll think I'm cuckoo passing by and just making a vlog. And now I'm heading back home. He told me that the person who was actually cheating you, that person comes to me if he cannot repair the cycle. So I think this is the best person I could find to repair my cycle. Scratching my leg, mosquitoes are there. That person is now sat on the chair. He's the watchman. He's looking at me. He's thinking whom I'm actually talking to. So I think I'll sign off right now and head towards home. I'll reach within 5 minutes, and let's see what happens today. I'll tell you the truth. I'm definitely sure that one day India will change. Definitely. But first, for that, we ourselves have to change. Fitness is really difficult for those who don't have time. But I just took my cycle to repair it and I bought it back walking, and I almost walked 4,000 steps. It just goes to show that when you have any work to do, avoid taking the bus, avoid taking the auto, avoid taking your car, avoid taking your bike. Remove your legs which are already available with you and start walking. You do not require a separate time altogether for your workouts. So just start walking, and 4,000 steps just became just like that. Imagine I had 2-3 more works to do. I would have easily crossed 10,000. But for those who have to specially walk 10,000 steps, is like a very big barrier in their mind. Do different jobs, but take the internal roads so that you are not smelling the pollution also. Okay? More tips to come. एक समोसा देना और थोड़ा जलेबी, 2-3 पीस जलेबी सिर्फ। 2-3 पीस जलेबी का कितना? हाँ दोस्त, 2-3 पीस जलेबी का कितना? अच्छा, जलेबी फ्रेश आया? बस 20। और वो गाटिया आता ना, गाटिया बारीक वाला देना, 100 ग्राम। So it's time to end today's vlog. I have bought an Amul dark chocolate to surprise my wife. I'm definitely sure she's going to like it. Hope you enjoyed today's vlog about repairing the cycle. I will see you in another beautiful vlog video tomorrow. Till then, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.